Welcome to a further update via the Force 13 Australia Oceania channel, where the local weather scene continues to see the Bureau of Meteorology updating various warnings that it has in place. And we'll have a look at a developing tropical scene. Currently, this is a view from my HQ north of Brisbane, and the camera is pointing to the north. How the scene has changed in a matter of a few hours. Earlier today, I had a storm cloud, but it is currently clear. However, completely different picture down south. Right, this is a satellite view of the Eastern Australia region, right out to Fiji. An area of interest is south of the Queensland New South Wales border, where we have a low pressure system now weakening as it tracks in towards the New South Wales coast between between Ballina and Evans Head. Earlier today, the Weather Bureau had the low at 1000 HPA, but it is weakening 1004 as it tracks in towards the coast, and should be up around 110 HPA. The Bureau of Meteorology via their New South Wales office has a top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds and heavy rainfall in place for the areas mid-north coast, parts of the northern rivers, Hunter and the northern tablelands districts. The Bureau updated at 14:56 local time. Heavy rain, windy conditions, north coast and adjacent ranges. Synoptic situation, a slow moving low pressure system off the far north coast extends a trough across the northern coast. This system is generating widespread rain across the northeast New South Wales, with isolated thunderstorms embedded within the rain band. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding. It's expected through the mid-north coast, parts of the northern rivers and adjacent ranges today. Rainfall totals between 1 to 200 millimetres are expected during Saturday for the morning area. Localised falls exceeding 250 millimetres are also possible during Saturday, and damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour, are possible along the coastal fringe for southern parts of the northern rivers, northern parts of the New South Wales mid-north coast. The Bureau of Meteorology here in Brisbane has cancelled a severe thunderstorm warning at 13:10 local time, And we go across to the 850 MB vorticity, 2 areas of interest, East Java, the Timor Arafura Sea, across to Darwin, and around the Cocos Islands and Christmas Islands. And this is the 24-hour wind shear, and as mentioned previously, tropical systems like the blue to green, a little bit of the yellow, but the environment becomes very unfriendly, pink, red to the right. And that's for the western region. Now we switch across to the current rainfall, and this is the total forecast of rain in 2 or 4-day blocks, then 1 to 8. So this is the first 4-day block. You can see the area, Arafura Sea, the Timor Sea, northwest WA, and the Gulf of Carpentaria. Now this is the second 4-day block, and you can see the area south of Fraser Island right down to Gulf Harbour, Port Macquarie, then across the northwest WA coast, Pilbara coast, WA. And this is 1 to 8, and how the picture deepens further. Please be advised that the Weather Bureau's rainfall outlook is made up of many models. Now this is the current tropical cyclone formation probability guidance, and I'm keeping an eye on the area Fiji across to New Caledonia and possibly the Solomon Sea, and you can see the Christmas Island area to the west of the Darwin. Fiji Met Office has in place a flood warning, and a trough of low pressure lies just north of Fiji. It is gradually moving southwards onto the group. Associated cloud and rain affects the country. Now we come across to the 850 vorticity for the eastern region, and you can definitely see where the low pressure system is. And we come across to the 24-hour shear tendency for the eastern region. Now, quickly, this is the Bureau's, this is another model's precipitation. And you can see how it develops. And this has just been updated, and it provides a picture out to 384 hours. So that is a look at precipitation, and what does one say about the northwestern region of WA? The Bureau of Meteorology has finalised its ocean wind warning, and this is related to the this is the southeastern region, and the low pressure system tracking towards the region between Ballina and Evans Head is around 1000 HPA. And this is another look at a model, and I'm looking at the area in yellow. And as mentioned, we could see a signal appearing in the Coral Sea or the Solomon Sea region. And once again, the model should repeat itself. There's a, you can see the Coral Sea region. Please be advised that the models are run numerous times and the picture does change. This is the latest tropical cyclone 3-day outlook by the Bureau for the Northern Region, including the Gulf of Carpentaria. The monsoon trough is becoming more active in the Arafura Sea and Timor Seas. A low pressure system is now forming off the Northern Territory northwest coast. The low is expected to move slowly to the southwest through the Timor Sea during the next 3 days before it moves out of the area next week. There is a low chance of a tropical cyclone developing north of the Kimberley on Monday, increasing to moderate on Tuesday. However, if the low does develop, it will most likely be west of the northern region. So for Sunday very low, Monday low, then percentages increase to moderate. And sea surface temperature. And before we go, Force 13 operates its own website, a few YouTube channels. We operate on Facebook, Twitter, Discord platforms, and if you want to have a tropical weather chat, just add Phil 13. Stay tuned to Force 13 Australia Oceania channel for more information, and bye for now.